This is how you crochet the popcorn stitch. For the foundation row, I'm going to start by putting single crochet into every single chain all the way until the end. Then I'm going to chain 1 for my turning chain, and row 2 is going to be where we start the popcorn. For this stitch, all the even rows are going to be our popcorn stitches, and all the odd rows are going to be single crochet. So for row 2, I'm going to put a single crochet into the first, and then I'm going to put 4 single crochet into the second stitch. After the 4th one, I'm going to take my hook out and insert it back into the first of the 4 stitches, put the loop back on the hook, and pull it through that first stitch. So again, I'm going to make 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to put 4 single crochet into that second stitch. After that 4th one, I'm going to take my hook out of the loop, insert the hook into the first of the 4 single crochet from the outside in, put the loop back on the hook, and pull it through the stitch. I'm going to repeat that all the way until the end, and then I'm going to chain 1 for my turning chain, and then I'm going to put a single crochet into every single stitch. You can start this stitch with any even number of chains, and again we're alternating popcorn rows and single crochet rows, where the popcorn rows are going to be all the even rows and the single crochets are going to be the odd numbered rows. Let me know in the comments if you need an extended version of this stitch, or if you need me to slow down on any parts. Also, if you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. I post them every single day on my page. And if you have any questions about this stitch, or would like to request another stitch, you can leave them in the comments of any of my videos. And if I can't respond to your question in words, I will make a video response to them. The popcorn stitch is commonly used to add designs. For example, people have used it to create letters, words, pictures, you name it. But that's it. Happy hooking!